Yes, you be crowd a trim. Or not go to the channel. No, I can't or that's one Jim no more yard. Yes, you be crowd a trim.
Senka ko form for school feeding program ama anka wa henipa anka wa henipa anka nipa ni bi enyina ade bia so emfa hwema ni bi sesi amno kese Okatakyie Afrifa mensa buzabusia wo the expose kese bi abahwim se school feeding program a ekosi a now no amonfo obo ho atwede ambo bi ekuka na se abena ne maame eburu nu enyina wo hu yi no abeye fa wo to beje Abey for our 2 budget school feeding program, for our 2 budget job, for our 2 budget. Every family expose say boys no. Oh, the real man no. Oh, your school feeding program coordinator. Don't the real man the fast here. And I was expose Muntaka, the interior minister. Ever NPP pickers be the buyers here. Eeiii's workers here. Now no. Muntaka your interior minister will pass boys when are back. Uncle paint those pickups no. The Toma NDC for. Penyah block media. Mess was any day. Over like video, no other one. Subscribe button, double click about the page that update. Now, but the wide join the mamma ever comment section of the password. Not you don't for any action. A do have a chinya bamopa, a man who gets appointment for school feeding program coordinator. A man is see what ready pa. Omu pohon to kwa, omu kuhon to kwa pama. And Jim program catcher said, you go to your for Kruma. Abena ne maame akoto kosua shinam ene second almost similar say ai abena maame no like qualify say man appointment as school feeding program coordinator e wo bofo krom hono and so out of nowhere ya got town will be every the region for kra woni constituency no ba bia woni on flow ba bia ene the position e man ten o so omu e bonyo so e man bro say omu e buru nua nyina
abusua eyesu eyeza Mr. Uju ha video no mon share manento bono regional school feeding coordinator maame no your friend no comfort menu mon share manento ne maame afa mo ma video no to regional chairman e maame afa regional organizer honorable maha papa na mishla wate o ka no kure and to regional secretary e maame na to Sunani West MP e maame abusia for obi be bisa se de nti na abena wani abera wo kasa o ma mi gina ma abra video nim o ma mi gina e abusia me ma me eye former Sunani West deputy treasurer ma me no and am the student at 2011 school feeding e ko bo fokrom obi bisa se bo fokrom we e was Sunani West obi ma sin kura se ani bi and am me ma me student school feeding ko 2011 abusia for NDC eba power na nse ya yebe school feeding ho aduma bia ne watch application e course school no wo bofo krom ho gisa ma me pe ana kire ye ya fa nto nchen 2020 ya ko campaign ma me ne di moto konya accident moto bo no e bo ne so e wa kura na se campaign ti anajo nya nipa ne du wan ka me ma me wuye ma nya NDC ni bia na me kan che me se ko suale me ma me nye e fa ni dida ena nchen Once yanda 2024 year to abai obo mo wasa kura na sia o matutu kwan ko kuma se ne ne kekos ne na yi nyina ma me no ene mo mo ka sika ma obi aba beto waba ye nya constituency executive bia me na nka se MP ma ye sika nti no jefa tia o kasuka bida lord fa ni mi kwa da so shema ma me o tua ye o ko tua afa the school feeding ne ba ya yes ya kwa kofa obi every regional say a protocol, my mamma, ya this school feeding na mano. Yes, your friend Rose and Kama Abusia for yet Naha and Umreya, ya catch school feeding coordinator. Or one national, and in your what Bruno region said. Nipakra day school feeding a man before Promuna, and now didn't near my Quaco Buono. Moncan Nipakra on signage, and next time soon I double for Promuno. Now soon, I see. Ama hoho na yenu ma yeko mane de na so nsi maye abusia me de kosua ma nyina be kwa koku nsuo nim me wia me de second we be kwa kotuma tutu snap me nu nyina agum se ni pakwa ye NDC ni e chen ma me ya ogina ha se ya otumi nya atuma bi apart from school feeding na ni pakwa ma me kan e kire me regional chama ye de ni die ma papa ka kire ye se school feeding wuni mu hwe ye da se regional organizer ma ha ye ba ho be ka kire ma ha ka kire se ma me What brand kokoye wadwuma ma ha na me hira na so na ye nya ne tie so obi di ne nema kwa kogubo fokro enti mun ka che ni pakọ say watiti ma kasa
ni America ne say ma me comfort manu se di bana de kokko fokro no ba bi o che on to aba wa hu ma me e ba kwa no on to aba me ka no ka chira wo me ka no ka cha ka say jimi wa hu obi anyimi yo eja ma wo nya school feed coordinator ba ba yi ho what's up go fokro be ba me school feed no e ba kwa watiti Mame, kaje ba kwa sabi so one sign. And this sir. Kura ba gugu so no ma de oba hu na de so no. Ope.
Obi wu mo bi na
de. Me na me ko ba ho ka. Me ka be wu ya kwa hu ka se we wa hu. Ba bi ba kwa free oba on to aba ho.
Ba bi ni pa kwa on to aba.
Me ba so me ka se ya fra. Ba so me ka se ya fra.
Me na ni pa kwa ma me ko so na wo ni grow so na.
Come on,
what you be sika dia mo.
Ba so kwa sa de me free ho. Kwa sa de me free ho.
Ene sa dia wo be sa de me
free. Me nyali ba kwa na me te kwa. So ka se de ba jim wa hu.
Obi na kwa na bi ya ni snitch.
Da fa kra nya adwuma. Na mo ko be ko bu na mo ti film di be ye.
Ya dia.
Bu na mo di ye.
Enti mo share video ma ne to jo ma ha ma say. Okatakyie say o de ye na de ba ye adwuma. Afa de ne akwa kodu ni say ompofo chicha. Ne ma pa ye ni ho hye.
Mami wo so anka me. Baby a wo to aba no. School feeding wo ho. Wo wo Eeiii ko so isi wo ho.
Enti ko no mo bi.
What is before club dia? What it see, mame? What it see? A quaya of us, what by opposite the Bible one. Fasaqua now, so Pasa Niama. Fasaqua now, so the power shas, yes, what would the decision of school feeding us?
50 our original. Our national
science away. A bit do what is
our original. Our national, our constituency, we see a
why you school feeding, but what's our form?
Na enya enonkwam se bebrebe na na ekoso Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bosu what expose bi abego aye se efa school feeding program a ekoso no amount for the hwema no the promise ma no e one side
they have the mind to work where you Juma can't you track and know where the problem is coming from. Even the education ministry betting here high a private investigative team you will know because today where's so regional women organizer where's so constituency chairman where's so national executives now gym no more yard you see a big crowd they trim now or not go to channel no aka oda so no mo gym no mo ya de ya se bi kura de twem na ono agodi ni twa no aka
hey jai oh bobi enso kura we ya obi ye nyama sa nyanya baba kwabna obi what's what Danny o se won ma kwade bo hobi na endi me say was e de na si
national executives now gym no more yard ya see a big crowd they twem na ono agodi ni twa no aka oda so no aka tire ne say school feeding bi wo ho me de bebre o ba se asema akwa
mobile mo dani cha mobile general akosia school feeding no ya dey we guess no Agency. Domi market for na kabibi. Said wo mudi akire no. Osua do odi animu. Aseche sei.
So say the NDC for executive.
Omo dey we guess.
Omo the school feed dey
Agency bi the board ko to ko je board a. Na omo boss na dey. E wuza je no he so di asema ba wo. Na nye say market for na kanya wo na wo ka. Ana omo yes e. Akosia na omo yes e ne e boss no angasa. Otimi de board eche ohunu to no anu de board we do bi ne makola for makola nyakom na eka na omo kasa do market for so ya munto ne mabu o hani kwasam they say bobi ansa so omo the school feed na we against for wokodi na ya no the school feed what that so no the school feed ne promise nya ne ya kan we mi amenu abobi na ya kan wo de we against ni ade. I said, no, Professor Jampo. Me and Minuano. Jampo baby. and ye can say a trouble near the end. What 2 coins now, what 2 coin business class where and our frame at Chirimuse or near business class here on the economy of and the ticket near the class and they said, or Sarah when we mean cancer at the sun, say, or near business class in the na minya brembra na onkyere me ne ma bi ne ade akoso etuwe no mayama gese wo kyena ye be call Professor Jampo office ne na kotra se ne ahwe nkracha mu ne ade no bia oso obeso wo ye leadership of service e ma manfo no enti ye be call na ye kwa ba bia wo recruit man de ho no ama me answer enti ye kwa ba gini nyina ye ba gini nyina me ana me nua no wo fraus o ka de che me nua no na bibi ne a frame na and I think it's also a proper say bibi ne a obefre say oh me nua no na ye wo ye ne no say ka de che na wo ye de me kwa na ba gimi na afi wo na de me ko na say in the interest of the public enti maba ne ade no na mo se me nua no na wo ti bi na wo nyini ya we ambulance service ade ye bebo ye Wednesday Adiza, me Adiza, Ekuba, or frame what can was someone. So I am torn between ye Adiza, me no no near the Nasa baby we need to decide for the people. So Professor Jampo Yababa now also side of the story, you know. We get it and tell the people why.
What I said, oh the real man, now Monta come have an interior minister. Everybody is going to MP for pick out here over the buyer. Chairman, I pass it back. I'll go paint the first. Well, call we painting those pickers, and or they more NDC.
Okay, so kill net buying one. Yes, sir. So you to Chroma say, my catcher said, yeah, your mama buying here. Omu edi 6 ed and near 9. Omu de kalo da near yet. Now you to Chroma say, Anna a kufado lunch, Danny, Yensha first video beer. A kufado top police cars every zone that take a Chinese company be okuma. And a kufado are buying a koto police cars near the chair police for. Tianio 2024 and you're chair, but they were a year on a cars in this zone that take or more yard, dear friend say, or more yard. So these are the cars I was on that take yard. And I'm no Cassie. Cassie was supposed to be for police. I buy you by your way. Yanni free so no. And then if I post no social media post to be exactly. So these are cars as well that take a yard and this year. I could find a buying a toy and to prove to you, no, there is a guy who could trust a video we are in 2024, that is around December, or post the years a cars and you go waste in the idea. Now you're free so one. Motaka Mubarak, Interior Minister. Wako penti cars you home. Say a 24-hour economy security car. And what's the police view? That is a story of a year, Mutaka. Mutaka and the cars and as I police and general work purchase. Cars I don't need German police did out. 2024 did that. Mutaka buy why the same thing. Now me no say. IGP. Yes, so moko poma was a dear meeting. Now them say adia no mo accuse a year dampare off. Say we promoting in California there. Omoko yi first a year poma meeting. Police debe management board meeting. When them say me no say. First thing IGP ni call ya we here and say them California no nyina no. We more promotion so so. Same. I mean Eti aya kiona taban. Na apeso hunu kiona taban a. Owura gusita no. Enkola no amunim gusita no no. Emre bi atwam ne aka gusita no a. He was the man and every politics one dey compare. Na ye kasa gusita no when this mu a. He had gravitas. And then kofo ebrege so JJ Rollins e be kono kura no. Ono gusita no na ba dia yini ade. Ana ye ko wie akiri na you were 10 who call for me reform a year party. Mobeka ye 2000 election no. Ono ko say reform. Na em say wie bi o de wie na ye na yini ade. Meka ye nyina. Ana gusita no anye yini ade. Wo free mu ansa no beda samwa mu nyina be tro mu. Na jomama ba ye no ja wode gusita no aba so no na em ye secretariat no. Wo mo 24-hour economy. And was see 24-hour economy journey will be a very difficult one. Gusi. Well, cannot correct. The no currency. Was it will be a very difficult one. Now, who is a very difficult one.
In a long way.
I was medium huni. If it's a turn and no more catching a mount for no, what you know, I want to say 24-hour economy is a demand-driven economy. It would be, and you'll be a catcher or airport on the 24 hours because you go for 2 points every day. Oko see airport was Sunyane. Now I say 24 hours. About 8 p.m. Oko, anybody don't say the free Sunyane. It automatically there will not be 24-hour economy because there is no demand there. It took us a 24-hour economy. And there is going to be a transport system, STC, ever running from Asankregwa to Accra, 24 hours. About 12 o'clock, anybody don't say the free Asankregwa. So demand driven. But Yaka Yanaman Funi Diatem. It is saying acquire Frefrekobo, acquire Matramaque, who was when ye be a port to Nanonia and Yanukre. So Kioneta by still Gusitano say be a difficult one, be a day. The journey will be a difficult one. Gusi, said no washada why any idea no dream say oh free wa obesa be contest you. It was strategically. What in the close contenders no or more betimi aye we no. Baby o do makotu nyina ye trap. It will for be say Gusitano akobeya yinu a wasumi ni fidie. No na ko to 24 hour no. 24-hour economy is ya anwene ho e ka bi keke eti wo no ko ne ko feli na manfo ne hunu so wonye leader o wiye no de haro na akoto ya education na no ezo nim say education tin na me no ka say teacher training for didi once a day me no ka say aye license ezo nim say haro na edrusu e president ni bi it was the net to be obe feli tie de me kan yi edi jomama we is very strategic. One more moment me a contest a the candidate to person the never share muno. What woman in our two positions are a young trap on one set. So Gusitano say was set a trap of so as a Gusino a Keda for the top economics of the NDC or more lover boy. So more pen true NDC. Gusitano need true NDC. Now when him say Abia walk said and the see a fair now war personality near the end. Away ya obeti Cuba. It yes here setting up. Emma Gusi Feli. And Unye Agosia Gusitano. Kioneta Bay. What's it? The favorite mayor. Yohani favorite. Wouldn't Yohani favorite? Would you come for me? Don't market for Naka. Almost here, Maya. Bibi Debra. It will obey projection. You are dealing with politics. You must be strategic and you must be smart. It is Gusitano, the Edo, and a set trap on my wife. And go see if it's a 24-hour economy. And you've been a catcher, Reggie Rackstone said 1 year 24-hour watching. If it's any pato, night clubs anywhere around her, sometimes no beer office anywhere. It's an opayatono. And you mean a night club and so cost obey a watcher momato. So you don't need anybody says you're 24-hour you're watching. It's way a tro. Nigeria, a cathedral. Kioneta buying so omni cathedral anatem. And a minister of a local government, chieftaincy and a religious affairs. Ora Ahmed, or the Sambia Trigger. Danny, Famekwana Yenti Yura, why Yenti?
We demonize it to the point to say, even if there's something proper in it, we can see. And the starting on the National Cathedral, we demonize it to the point to say, even if there's something proper in it, we can see. And the starting was also problematic, so even certain things outran others. In the amount, say why we now can't win some more. In the amount, what the fundings, Embra. Now, many of them give me.
So, Danny, hold on. Mira, Ahmed, local government minister. Muntia the walk and was a national cathedral. We demonized it. So, Ojitum say, or mun demonize it.
And I say, Gerard, you want me our comment session. How you Penyah Block Media?